It's IBC 2022, welcome to Kit Plus TV, and we're here on the Blackmagic stand at the back of Hall 7, hard to miss, and we're here with Darren, and he's going to talk to us about Ultimatte 12, I think, and the updates.
Absolutely.
Tell us a bit more.
Nice to see you, Matt.
How you doing?
So yeah, we've got 4 brand new models of Ultimatte here for the show.
Okay.
Ultimatte's been in our product portfolio since 2016
Absolutely.
when we acquired the kind of industry standard of compositing systems. There's 40 years of pedigree with Ultimatte. It's the best in the industry. We've democratized that already once when we reduced the price of that upon acquisition. But we now want to make sure that this gear is available to every user out there who's working in and around live production or virtual sets and in virtual studios. So we've now got a number of different units that allow us to do that. So right at the very top end of the scale, we do have our brand new Ultimatte 8K. So that's for people who are going to be working with kind of larger walls, larger LED volumes and things like that, and they want to produce huge displays.
Yeah.
But then we've got come down in scale, we've got the 4K, which is next to you there, which is just a revised version of the predecessor. We've built in a new display, we've got options on the front.
It's effectively a new interface, but
exactly,
same
so we can get hands-on and touch the control physically from the front and adjust some of the key settings that are within that. Yep. We've also got the HD, the Ultimatte 12 HD, which is a smaller form factor, HD only Ultimatte, so it's going to allow us to composite in those HD environments where we still want the tool set that the Ultimatte offers us, but we don't necessarily need
the massive resolution.
Exactly, we don't need that 4K resolution. So lots of people now over the last couple of years specifically have changed the way they've been working. They've got kind of smaller, maybe home studios, or they've converted office spaces into studios as well. And they don't necessarily have this huge studio space to work with, but they've got a pop-up green screen.
Yeah.
They only want to work in HD, those particular people, and this will allow them to do that, expand their sets to make it look like they're working in bigger environments.
And the delivery mechanism might not demand 4K. If you do it on YouTube, HD could be enough.
A lot of content distribution now is totally changed, so it is online, and generally people are happy with HD at this point in time. Yeah. And then at the lower end of the scale there, we've got the Ultimatte 12 HD Mini. So this is a HDMI-based compositing system. Perfect partnership for things like the A10 Mini. So if you want to harness the power of an Ultimatte, have the access to things like the garbage map, the holdout map that you don't have on the built-in keying system in an A10, then you can strap on an Ultimatte 12 HD Mini into that system for each camera and have access to those extra
feature sets. Yeah, fantastic.
And then, in addition to that, we've also released the a software interface. So, whereas previously you were limited to running the Smart Remote 4, a hardware control for Ultimatte, you've now got a software interface which you can use instead.
And so, down the software, you've got a history of free downloads. Is it free?
Absolutely, yes. So, it's completely free to download. You can install it in as many systems as you want, Windows, Mac, as I mentioned, and all you do is connect to the IP address of the Ultimatte you want to control. You can control up to 8 Ultimattes from the same software interface simultaneously. Just toggle between the Ultimatte you want to connect to. But yeah, absolutely free. So again, it's all about that accessibility, making sure that every customer can harness that power, get use of the tool set, and it's great.
Absolutely. So thank you very much. To see more, come to Blackmagic Design's stand at the back of Hall 7. Of course, if you haven't made IBC this year, you can come to the Kit Plus show in Twickenham or Bristol in September and October. If you want to find out more about what we've been doing at IBC, please go to kitplus.com.